Hi guys, James here from Winstanley Estate Agents. Today it's my absolute pleasure to present to you this stunning 4-bedroom, semi-detached family home here on Winstanley Road. Let's go take a look inside. So there we have it guys, Winstanley Road. What a stunning family home. If you would like more information on the property or to book your place on the open day, please get in touch through the details that follow. I'm James from Winstanley Estate Agents. Thank you for watching.